Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ferdinand, and in today's video I am going to show you about how to download Tine on PC or laptop. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support my channel. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. Let's go. First, open your browser like Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, and go to the link at www.tine.me, or you can use the link in the description below. Next, open the download section, click the line for Windows icon, and wait until the download is finished. Open your File Explorer and open the file that you have to download it. And then follow the instruction from the line setup. After the line setup finish, the line will reload automatically. Phone number. And the last, login using your email or your phone number that you use in the line account. And now you can use your Live on your PC to chat with your friends or your family. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video. Bye bye.